Alright guys, right this. Check out this cloud. Check out the sky, not the clouds. So as you can tell, there's a heat lightning strike heading our way. So basically, don't mind that loud truck that just went by. So anyways, don't mind my friends in front of me here. Yeah, yeah, Georgia, they all see you. So right now I'm not trying to get killed by me filming. So yeah, I'll see you guys what's up with the sky later when I get a closer shot. Yeah. So yeah, the heat lightning clouds are over there. Guys, I'm really sweaty, so I don't care. Alright guys, as you can tell, it's not even that dark. I still got plenty of light so I can film. So yeah, I just got the nature light. And as soon as I get on top of one of these hills, I'm gonna see if I can film this lightning that I'm about to show y'all. And let me tell you, it's pretty damn cool. So if there's any 5-year-olds watching this channel, don't watch. Because what I'm about to say is pretty damn retarded. So yeah, so any 5-year-olds that have a disability like me, don't engage that. So anyways guys, without further ado, please comment, rate, and subscribe, and leave any comments down below. I won't take negative comments. If you guys call me the faggot word, please don't, because I'll literally report you to freaking YouTube enforcement. Holy crap, I saw that. That was cool. Yeah, Hayden, that's why you better let me lead in front, because I have a film.
Hey, they probably heard what I said.
No, I don't care.
No, I call that Jim and that car faggot.
Yeah, that's what I said. Jeffy.
Jeffy, don't say that word. You're
Daddy, I'm scared.
Hayden, shut up, please.
Daddy, you're a faggot.
Alright, guys.
Stop.
So, anyways.
Joke I have. Oh, shoot.
Alright, guys.
Oh, hi, church.
Alright, guys, let's see here. See that cloud in front of me? Alright. You guys see that cloud in front of me? That's got some lightning into it. That's got some lightning, I don't care. So I'm just trying to get a clear shot of this lightning. I'm trying to keep a... This is why I need a vlog camera.
Move, church, so they can see.
No, they're fine.
Alright.
If lightning strikes that steeple, that's gonna be loud.
And then it won't get stuck. Oh, I'll get stuck. It's not a fucking call.
No, listen, none of us have metal on each other.
Except for George, he has metal.
I got metal in my pocket, but metal won't. I got rubber on my shoes.
You got rubber on your shoe?
Yeah, rubber's always grounded when it's contact with the ground.
So yeah, we're not going.
So anyways, guys, just watch this. This is pretty cool. And shout out to my pal Skull Demon 06 and my friend Fastlane 05 and Face Kingbird 77. So right now, let's go lightning watching without me getting hit by a car.
Yeah. Well, we're taking the...
No, I'm just trying to get a good lightning shot. Trying to get that cool effect on a strike.
Alright, walking.
Which way? This way? Okay, guys, we're going to take a right-hand turn here. Whoa!
You guys missed it.
No, I got that on film for sure.
Okay.
I saw that.
That is awesome. That's really cool, guys. How do you like this cloud setup? Hayden, if you push me over.
I'm not. I'm sorry. I'm gonna walk by.
All right. So anyways, I know it's kind of dark. It's only 2026. So we just got done eating at US Pizza. All right, guys. Okay, now you can see my face finally. I'm sorry if I don't have night vision. It's just because that this is an iPhone 6s. I don't have the new iPhone 10R or whatever. But I'll show you guys again with the storm that is directly beside me. So yeah, guys, let's just keep on watching the storm. So anyways, I promised one of my other friends on Xbox, Fade Lace, I told him that he can be my next video when I'm on Fortnite gameplay, but I don't know when that's going to be. Sometimes I'm lazy not to put up a YouTube video, but other than that, I'm going to be hanging out with my girlfriend tomorrow, doing other things like that. So yeah. So yeah, guys. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna point the camera up to the sky again so you guys can see what I'm talking about when I'm talking about lightning. All right, guys. There's a storm in front of me. I bet you guys saw that one. That looked legit, didn't it? I probably look lit too.
Lit like Mountain Dew.
Yeah. So the friends I have with me is my friend Georgie and Hayden. Those are my friends.
/ Casey Martin 15.
Yeah, on Xbox. Yeah, if you guys want to subscribe to his channel, please do. And I know you guys, I'm up to 19 subs. If we can break 100 subs, I will be hanging out with these two again at some point. They gonna let us go? Okay. Thank you.
Thanks.
So a car just let us by, and right now I'm literally storm chasing with my phone in my hand. So Reed Timmer or Sean Casey or Dr. Josh Foreman, please, hopefully you guys subscribe to my channel. That would be amazing because I like watching you guys on YouTube on Discovery Channel Storm Chasers. So Reed Timmer, please get rid of the Dominator 1. And you should, and Sean, you should keep the Tiv 2. Dr. Josh Foreman, I don't know what Vortex 2 is up to, so yeah. So yeah, don't worry about the bright light in front of me. It's just a street light. So yeah, all it is lightning and the sky. There's the moon right there, guys.
Don't worry about that.
Yeah, don't worry about the moon. No one likes full mooners.
Got it.
Exactly.
Sorry, that was a little inside joke for us.
Yeah. So anyways, guys, just let me know if you like this video that I'm doing. I'm sorry if I'm flipping in and out of the camera. So I'm sorry if this is a 9-minute video. I'm trying to walk as fast as I can. Right now I got all my stuff in one giant bag.
And try not to get hit by cars.
Yeah, no crap.
And we're walking up a fucking hill to get to our friend's house.
Yeah, that's what he said.
And I apologize for any parents who are watching.
Parents don't care about my YouTube channel.
So I got 5 girls in the watching.
So guys, like I said again, what truck should I get when I get my license? Huh? Either a Chevy 2500, a GMC 35, or a Ram 3500 with a Longhorn with a Cummins 6.7 diesel. Please let me know about that So please comment down below if I should get that truck, or I should get a Ford F750, or an F650, or an F350, or an F4. Just let me know. Whoa. Alright guys, this is gonna be cool. Yeah, watch this guys. Just watch this. This is gonna be cool. Hey George, do you mind if we stop right here? So I can actually...
Might do it again.
So right now this is on 10 minutes. Alright. Alright guys, this is gonna be cool. It is gonna be so cool. Let's just hope we don't get zapped today. But staying underneath power lines.
Probably a bad idea.
Yeah. So
Sorry, we have to move.
yeah, move please so I can actually start. Oh man, I missed that one. There's one in the corner there. Alright guys, this will be the end of this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one, okay? Alright, bye.